These are my favourite lifts at Beehive Carpark in Loughborough. These are Otis lifts. Well, these are Otis lifts. Capacity 6 IKEA, 6 persons. Built in 1991.
Doors closing. Going up. Floor 2.
This is the one that I've been messing around with. Like I put my foot against the doors and make it slam. Here we are, 6. Go down to 1 and change our layers. Otis.
Please mind the door. Doors closing. Going down. Floor 5. Floor 4. Floor 3.
I think I'm normally talking one of those lifts, but I don't really usually do that. Here we are, 1. Change our layers here. Let's call this one. We're going to go up to 6. Capacity 6 IKEA, 6 persons, built in 1991.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Going up. Floor 2. Floor 3. Floor 4. Floor 5.
Here we are, 6.
6. Doors opening.
Go back down to 1. Actually, let's go down all levels.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Going down. Floor 5. Doors opening.
Level 5. Go down to 4.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Going down. Floor 4. Doors opening.
Go down to 3.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Going down. Floor 3. Opening.
Oh, I'm having a fun time today. This is one of my best lifts I've ever been.
Mind the doors. Doors closing.
Here we go.
Down.
Okay?
Floor 2. Doors opening.
Go back down to 1. Oh, I like IOE. It's my favourite.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Going down.
Here we are back at 1.
Floor 1. Doors opening.